Hi, I'm Sam. I go to Genoa, and we have a big problem at our school. Bullying. But I guess it sort of got better after we had our mix-it up at lunch today. Me and a few friends planned it, but didn't. But before that, I was getting bullied really bad by one guy, and I basically got called every name in the book. So, I guess, I don't know why people do it, because there's the golden rule, treat others as you'd want to be treated, and people don't do that, I guess. I guess the real question is, why are people being bullied? Why must people pick on other people? Do they just do it because they're bored? I think the main question is why. But this is just like getting real bad real fast. Too many lives are being taken. Cause like they could have had a good future, and we'll never know because people had to pick on them to death. Some people take bullying as a joke, and some take it seriously. And it's not a joke if people are hurting themselves. So just like stop bullying. It's not cool.